To make foundation link double crochets, you're going to start from the previously worked stitch by pulling a loop across the horizontal bar like any other linked double crochets. And then you're going to insert your hook into that previously worked stitch, the one that you worked in before, yarn over and pull through. Now that you have 3 loops on your hook, you're going to yarn over and pull through 1. And I like to hold on to this one so I don't lose it. And then I yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. Now this loop that I'm holding, this is basically my new chain for that stitch that I've just made. So I'm going to go and work my next stitch. First, I'm going to insert my hook into the horizontal bar of the previous stitch, just like before, and pull my yarn through. And then the bottom of the stitch is going to be worked into 2 strands on that end right there. Yarn over and pull through. Now I have 3 loops again, so yarn over, pull through 1, hold on to it, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And I'm going to continue doing that as many times as I need to, always working into 2 strands at the bottom right there. Pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 2. Got a little knot there. Okay, once I have the number of foundation stitches that I want, in this case I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then I'm going to skip whatever number of stitches I need to skip. If it's a sleeve, skip the sleeve stitches. If it's the pocket opening, skip the pocket opening stitches. In this case, I'm going to skip 5 as well. All right, and I'm going to work on this stitch. This is going to be my next stitch. So what I need to do now is start my linked double crochet into that horizontal bar, and then I'm going to insert my hook into the 2 strands at the bottom of my previous stitch and also into the next stitch where I'm working. So this one right here. Okay, then I'm going to yarn over and pull through that stitch and the 2 strands at the bottom of my previous foundation stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And there you go. Now I have connected the bottom of my foundation stitches to my working stitches. And I'm going to work one more to show you what that looks like. And there you go. Those are my foundation stitches, and this is how a pocket opening would work, or sleeve stitches or underarms or something like that. Okay. I hope this was helpful.